Here with Eat, Sleep, Bass, Repeat, and sir, what is your name?
Noah Johnson, Team 619.
And what kind of vehicle are we sitting in here?
2000 Suburban.
And this is a pretty big wall here. What is in this wall?
We got 8 C7 18s, V3s on 8 XT6 8Ks.
Wow. Okay. Big cone area, big power. He took home some first places today, so I'm expecting to get completely crushed.
They call me a god. 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 Let's go. I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation. They call me a god. 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 I don't know how to stop. I just go till I drop. Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent. Cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady. Look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy. I'll put you in a grave 6 feet like Kenny. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
Bitches ain't shit but hoes and tricks. Bitches ain't shit but hoes and tricks. Bitches ain't shit but hoes and tricks. Bitches ain't shit but hoes and tricks.
Zach Mickey
Well, I think that's why this truck took a first place today, and at the show last week. And yeah, man. So what DB did this do today?
I did a 62.5 in the kick and a 61.1 in the headrest. And that was 5 clicks down.
Man, that's yeah, I did every bit of that. I just took a pounding. So thank you, Noah, man. Awesome build. Appreciate it. Eat, Sleep, Bass, Repeat. Check out more of his stuff. Dude, yeah, that was something. Yeah, that is called keep that up for too long and I'm not gonna be able to drive home. Yeah. I'm gonna have to just like sit around and relax for a little bit and decompress. Man, thank you. That was freaking belligerent.